So we are currently in front of Sate Padang. Sate Padang street food vendor. It's basically the same as oh my god, I'm having food coma.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just want...
Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Chinatown, Jakarta, and I am with...
Hi, I'm Reza. Salim.
And the other one.
I'm Zai.
Yeah, so four of us are trying to explore Chinatown, to try Indonesian cuisine and whatnot.
Throughout history, Chinatown has always been dubbed as a hub of activity, a pillar of the economy, and a key element in each city. This also includes Glodok that is located in Jakarta. This section of the old Batavia city is home to many people of Chinese descent and has been known as Chinatown, or Pecinan, since the Dutch colonial era. In modern times, Glodok is best known as the electronic trading center of Jakarta. The name Glodok comes from Sundanese word Golodok, which means the entrance to a house, as Sunda Kelapa, which is now known as Jakarta, was once the gateway to ancient Sunda kingdom. The Chinese came to Jakarta since the 17th century as traders and laborers. Most of them came from Fujian and Guangdong province in southern China.
Glodok actually is a Chinatown in Jakarta, considered to be the biggest in Indonesia. The area in itself dates back to 1740, and this area was designed for residential area for Chinese ethnicity. I am squatting next to one of the street vendor. It's called kue mipan. Mipan in Chinese is actually mifan, translates to rice. Jadi ini gimana sih bang? Diapain kuenya? Biar jelasin.
Ini kuenya ada tepung beras.
Terus pakai apa?
Makanya pakai gula.
Bawang putih, garlic,
Lada.
lada, pepper, and then what else?
Makan aja.
Makan aja ya udah, boleh. The guy is sleepy. Boleh, jangan galak dong. I have the mipan right here with me. It is basically rice cake made of rice flour, topped with sugar, garlic, as well as some pepper. Let me try. So the garlic in itself has been fried. It's very sweet from the sugar, savory because of the garlic, and a little bit of the pepper. It's quite interesting. So we are currently in one of the Chinese restaurants, and I just ordered the char kway teow, which is basically rice noodle. In Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore, a lot of Hokkien people actually spread out. Let's just try to dive in. So you see, the rice noodle is very glutinous. It's very savory because it's covered by seafood soup. In general, the noodle in itself is very famous for Southeast Asia. Say hi guys.
Hi.
What are we doing here? We're going to buy the next snack, which is actually the Chung Fen.
Say right.
Chong Fan. In Indonesia, it says Chong Fan.
Show us where it is.
So everything that has Chinese influence in Indonesia, most of the time it's gonna be noodles made of rice or flour. Bawahnya pakai itu ya? Pakai yang kayak gitu-gitu boleh. Tapi yang kecil aja ya.
Yeah.
So I am buying the chong fan, which is actually rice noodles with shao mai, Indonesian shao mai. So this is the rice noodle chong fan, soy sauce, some chili sauce. It's very crispy, the spring roll. And also the rice noodle actually doesn't have any taste, that's why the sauce comes in. Not too shabby. Taste slightly sweet, savory. I actually like it. 我喜欢这个是一点点辣。
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.
Where you have.
So we are now at a Sate Padang street vendors. Sate Padang is originally from Minangkabau, from West Sumatra.
And it is a cuisine that is famous in 4 countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and Brunei Darussalam.
We just opened the internet just to tell you guys the information. Yay! We have the satay padang. Let's try to dig in. The sauce is a mix of spices, coconut milk, and
Slide of peanut.
a slide of peanut.
And not only meat, they also use ketupat.
Rice cake. Super good. Oh, this is so tasty. Oh, this is not like the satay padang in itself. Actually, a mix of meat, intestines, innards, or tongue.
Kulihat saja banyak orang yang datang.
It's getting dark right here and we are pretty much done with Chinatown. We are going to the next destination. It's called Kota Tua. Come along. So I have my es potong, translate to cut ice, because that's the way how they actually serve the ice, by cutting with knife. It tastes like mambin with santan ya bang? With coconut milk. Childhood memories, guys. Kasih ya bang. We're currently in one of the alleys in Chinatown. Gang apa bu namanya? Gang apa? Gloria. So it's called Gloria Alley, and there are actually plenty of sellers that sells food from rice to noodles, everything that you can find here. Also fruits.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
By walking distance, we have just arrived to Old City, Old Town. It is very close to the Chinatown that we just visited. Come along with me. If there is one thing that Jakarta has the most, is that the street food. You can find every single thing on the street, from fruits, deep fried thing, or even meatballs. So you won't be hungry, definitely. Plenty of people, so many crowds. So I am currently in Old Town, or in Indonesian we say Kota Tua. It is located in West Jakarta, and this side actually contains Dutch style structures. Behind me is Cafe Batavia. Batavia is actually another name for Jakarta, and this building is the second oldest colonial building in this area. This used to be a residence for Dutch governor, and as of now it is one of the iconic and fancy restaurants in Jakarta. Okay guys, that's pretty much about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this very particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you also check my other social media. Don't forget to check out my Patreon account if you feel like you would like to appreciate my work. So I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye!
2, 3, alive. Hi everyone! Is it over?
How do you feel today?
Amazing. Well,
Well,
okay, so.
The real actress is demanding quite a lot, but like
Wow, how
How much?
we're trying to eat this rice flour. How do you think?
Tasty. My bakso.
Right here you can see her. She is eating the what is it called with?
Chong Fen.
Chong
Chong Fan.
fan. Yeah, it's basically dry food. Dry food. Dry. Like the dry food. Oh come on, I'm just gonna eat it.
Udah.
Hi.
This is for the blue pots. This is the blue pot.
See you next time. Bye bye.